This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by ARBOR. This lovely gated townhome is waiting for you to call it home. Step into a warm and welcoming space filled with natural light pouring into the family room. The open floor plan features a beautifully upgraded kitchen with quartz countertops, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Step out to the patio for a relaxing evening with a water view that reflects stunning sunsets, setting the perfect end to your day. This vibrant community has amenities for everyone, including 2 playgrounds, a dog park, a pool, hammocks, and cozy fire pit areas, making it a fun and inviting place to live. Don't miss out on touring this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below or contact ARBOR at 888-6